Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a really simple way how you can create tags in MailChimp. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here on audience. And when you're going to be here, you're going to see all the things here, and you want to click on tags. When you're going to click on tags, you can bulk tag contacts or create a tag. And you can tag name it like, I don't know, let's say, these are for WordPress. Right? WordPress, and then you can easily send to these tags regular campaign, like so which contacts have this tag will be sent regular campaign or plain text or SS. You can export, rename it. So when I go to manage contacts and view contacts now, and I can see it here, so I can easily click on the contact, add or remove tags, and voila. And then I can go again back to tags, and right here I can like look at this, send regular campaign, and I would create a campaign. So yeah, have a great day everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and this is how you can create tags. Goodbye.